It's 7 o'clock, family. Yep, Mom. Like that. After I get dressed, I'm gonna go to the supercharger. After I get dressed, I'm gonna go to the supercharger because he set a limit on there, but I changed the limit to a full tank. So I'm just gonna charge. It should take like 10-15 minutes. We're gonna be out that long? Well, it closed at 4. So. Oh, okay. All right, then just do 7:30 then. Wakey, wakey. I definitely should have wore other shoes for sure. And it's freezing.
It's mainly a weight issue. Yeah. So fast and it's smaller. This doesn't fit.
Or unless you want to do it right now, that's up to you, Doc. I hope you guys didn't wait too long today.
Oh no, we're good.
So is the next season.
Right. Now it slows down like after the first week of January, so.
Oh yeah.
So fuck this. Right now. Hurry up.
No, we good. 1 o'clock, we got.
Oh yeah.
Y'all, this is the hardest thing ever. Y'all, I'm scared.
Lead the way.
All right, I'm going. It's hard, huh? I just can't seem to get it. And I really want to be a pro. I don't think I can. Alright, y'all. You trying to do that? That's what you want? Okay. Why you have to come over here then? What about these people's stuff? Oh, this one, is it recording? Yeah. I could get you from over here. I don't need to go.